What's up YouTube? Today we're making homemade sauerkraut juice. This stuff is great for your gut and packed with probiotics. So follow along at home and let's get started.
This stuff may take up to a month to be ready.
Oh. Oh. It took me a month. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God.
So there's a war inside your gut that most people don't understand. In science, we understand that your gut health affects your heart health and your brain health. It's all connected. If you have bad gut health, we know as scientists that you suffer from more depression, from more anxiety, and from more issues with fertility and weight issues, as well as autoimmune issues. But we have the answer for that. So Pure is a prebiotic and probiotic that have seeds and seed oil. We did that because we wanted to have catalyst in our formula that would help the prebiotic and probiotic work even better. We added products and ingredients that were seed-based that put nutrients, vitamins, and minerals into the prebiotic and probiotic so they would be sustainable throughout the body. And we used a fermentation process in the lab so that this could be sustained and could be added to water. And when digested, this formula would be able to really help gut health instantaneously. That's why this formula is different from other formulas. The water, the air, the things around us have toxins, heavy metals, and negative things inside of them. That goes to the gut, and the gut digests it. If your gut is not healthy, the gut is not able to get rid of bad things. Pure helps the bacteria inside of the gut stabilize and be at peace so it communicates well with the rest of the body. As a scientist working in traditional medication, working with pharmaceutical and biotech, I know how important a probiotic like this is. In order to have a healthy body, you have to have a healthy gut. So with Pure, we're able to give health back to people by supporting the gut.